Presenter. Hey there, fellow space enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered how long it takes for each planet in our solar system to complete one full orbit around the Sun? Well, wonder no more. Today, we are going to take a thrilling journey through space and explore the different lengths of days on each planet. So, buckle up and let's get started. Animation showing Earth rotating on its axis as the presenter elaborates. Let's begin with our home planet, Earth. Can you guess how long it takes for Earth to complete one full rotation on its axis? That's right, it's 24 hours or one day. This means, from one sunrise to the next, it takes Earth exactly 24 hours to spin once. Animated representation of Earth revolving around the Sun. Now, let's think bigger. When it comes to completing one full orbit around the Sun, we call it a year. Earth takes approximately 365.25 days to complete its journey around our fiery star. That extra quarter of a day is why we have leap years every 4 years. Next up, we have Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. Due to its proximity to our star, you might be surprised to learn that a day on Mercury is quite different from ours. It only takes 59 Earth days for Mercury to rotate once on its axis. That means if you were living on Mercury, you would experience an extremely long day and night cycle. But that's not all. When it comes to completing one full orbit around the Sun, Mercury zooms through space. In just 88 Earth days, it manages to complete one revolution. Imagine celebrating your birthday on Mercury. You would be much younger than if you were on Earth. Green screen changes to display an image of Venus. Presenter. Moving on to Venus, often referred to as Earth's sister planet. Did you know that Venus rotates on its axis super slowly? A day on Venus lasts approximately 243 Earth days. That means, on Venus, a day is actually longer than its year. Animation showing Venus following its orbital path. Speaking of years, Venus takes about 225 Earth days to complete one orbit around the Sun. So, if you were on Venus, by the time you celebrate your birthday, you'll have been around the Sun almost twice. Green screen changes to display an image of Mars. Next stop, Mars. Mars, often referred to as the red planet, has a slightly longer day than Earth. A day on Mars takes about 24 hours and 37 minutes. So if you were a Martian, you'd have a bit more time in your day to explore and appreciate the stunning Martian landscapes. Animation showing Mars' elliptical orbit around the Sun. When it comes to completing one full orbit around the Sun, Mars takes approximately 687 Earth days. That's nearly twice as long as our beloved Earth's journey around the Sun. Green screen changes to display an image of Jupiter. Now, let's shift our gaze to the largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter. Due to its massive size, it takes Jupiter only about 10 hours to spin once on its axis, making it the planet with the shortest day. Can you imagine how fast the clouds must be racing across its surface? Animation showing Jupiter's rapid orbit around the Sun. But don't be deceived by its speedy rotation. When it comes to completing one full orbit around the Sun, Jupiter takes quite a bit of time. Approximately 12 Earth years. So, if you were on Jupiter, you would have to wait 12 Earth years just to celebrate one birthday. Green screen changes to display an image of Saturn. Next on our journey through the solar system is Saturn, known for its magnificent rings. Saturn takes about 10 hours and 33 minutes to complete one rotation on its axis, slightly longer than Jupiter. Just like Jupiter, Saturn boasts some breathtaking cloud formations as a result of its fast spin. Animation showing Saturn following its orbital path. When it comes to completing one full orbit around the Sun, Saturn takes approximately 29.5 Earth years. So, if you lived on Saturn, your sense of time and age would be quite different from us Earthlings. As we venture further into our solar system, we arrive at Uranus. Uranus experiences some peculiar rotations, making it a truly interesting planet. A day on Uranus takes approximately 17 hours and 14 minutes. This means that Uranus spins on its side rather than vertically, unlike most other planets. Animation showing Uranus following its orbital path. Now, brace yourself for this mind-blowing fact. Uranus takes about 84 Earth years to complete one orbit around the Sun. So if you were lucky enough to call Uranus your home, You would celebrate your birthday only once every 84 Earth years. Finally, we've reached the end of our journey with Neptune, the most distant planet in our solar system. This ice giant takes nearly 165 Earth years to complete its orbital journey around the Sun. That's almost 2 centuries. Animation of the complete solar system with all the planets revolving around the Sun. Wow! What an incredible adventure exploring the lengths of time it takes each planet to revolve around the Sun. From the speedy dance of Mercury to the slow and meandering path of Neptune, our solar system never ceases to amaze. Remember, there is still much left to discover about our extraordinary universe. Stay curious, keep exploring, and join us next time for another mind-blowing adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until then, keep your eyes on the sky, my friends.